Hi everyone, this is Nye Signature. My name is Nero Okecha. If you are meeting me for the very first time, this is the face behind this brand that you see making tutorials, making DIYs, drafting, and talking about business. This is the face behind it. You are welcome to my channel if you are visiting my channel for the very first time. Today, I'm going to teach you an interesting topic, something that will move your business forward, something every beginner needs. So if you want to make sale this 2026 in your business, if you want to make sale in your business, please stay till the end of this video. If you are a tailor and you have not been making money, stay till the end of this video because I will tell you why you are not making money. And if you are a business person and you are not making money and people are not seeing you, you are not selling, then this video is for you because I'm going to tell you and I'm going to give you solution to that problem, and in the next 1 week you'll be making sales in your business. So if you are visiting my channel for the very first time, please go and click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. I get notified whenever I post new videos. And for my old subscribers, I'm saying thank you. Drop your comment in the comment section after watching this video. I want to hear your review. I want to read your review, and give this video a thumbs up. So let's go straight to the business of today. So if you have not been selling, if you have not been making sales, maybe no customer, you have not been selling, here are the problems. One, you don't sell. You do not sell yourself. How? You do not love, maybe you do not love the job you are doing. You do not love your business. If you love your business, you will want to tell people about it. Is that not so? So the number one problem why you are not making sale is that you have not started putting your affection in your business. You've not started liking your business. So number one thing, if you want to make this to like whatever you are doing, whatever the business you are doing, for example, it's tailoring, and you're a fashion designer, you like your tailoring, you'll be putting on your outfit. Is that not so? You tell people when you meet people, oh, I'm a fashion designer. Is that not so? Because you love the job you are doing. Oh, I'm a lawyer, because you love the job you are doing. Is that not so? So number one thing you are that is killing your business, you do not like your business. So from today henceforth, like your business, like it. So by the time you like it, you start telling people. When you meet people, you start telling them about it. You won't hide it. Eh? You won't hide it. Okay. So the number two is that you have to be good at what you are doing. Good at what you are doing. Some of us, we are not good at what we are doing, so we are shy to tell people I'm a tailor. So be good at what you are doing. Tell yourself when you are making this outfit, tell yourself you want to put in your best so that the outfit is going to look good, creative, neat, inside out. So you'll be able to, when people see it, they'll be able to say, let me buy from this person. So in all you do, whether you are selling, doing, making hair, you are selling woven, put in your best. Be excellent. Just tell yourself whenever you are doing your work, tell yourself that you want to be the best in it. So you put in your best whenever you are producing that shirt or that woven, or you're maybe frying that car or making that dough for your bread, for whatever baking. You want to put in your best. Put in your best. That I want to add this recipe into this my donut so that it will look different, look unique. Okay, let me add this design to this my shirt. Let the dress look unique. So be the best. Try to be the best out there. Okay, three thing is that you have to, in all you do. You know, when you want to start business or you want to start a project, there's this fear like, will they buy from me? Will anybody patronize me with this? You have that fear in you. Okay, let me tell you. So from today, let me tell you, kill that fear. Eh? Look at everything, that everything is possible. Look at the impossibility. Look at them as possibilities. So look at them as what possibilities. So whenever you're executing a project, when it is difficult, tell yourself that it is possible. I can achieve it. So do not tell yourself, no, it is impossible. No, tell yourself it is possible. It is possible, then put in your best in it. Like the project, put in your best in it, and you see that it will be possible. That then also when you want to sell something out there, say, oh, will people buy? Tell yourself people will buy. Produce that unique, that best product. Like the product yourself. By the time you like it, you are going to tell people about it and people will buy it. So whenever you're embarking on any business, something, any business transaction, any project that you want to sell out there, you remove impossibility. So number three is that remove impossibility for whatever you are doing. Tell yourself that it is what possible. So the number four part of it is that number four key to making sales is that learn. Learn. Keep on learning. Keep on what? Learning. Don't stop learning. Listen to videos like this. Listen to videos like this that will improve you. Instead of being on Facebook scrolling, or you're on YouTube scrolling past maybe jokes and the rest of it, go and look for channel that will grow you, that will make you more better, that will make you ahead of your partners in business, that will make you be able to collaborate with those top persons that you look onto. Mm? Watch videos that will improve you, read books that will improve you, pay for courses that will improve you. So number four is keep on learning. So by the time you start a project, one, like the project. Two, two is what? So number three is what? And number four is what? I want you to drop it in the comment section. So if you practice these four things that I have mentioned, there's no way, there's no way there will be no change in your sales. If you will see people start buying from you, see people start buying from you. So there's no way you practice these four keys to selling, four keys to growth, four keys to improve your business that you will not make sales. So try it this week. Try it. If it does not work, tell me in the comment section. Drop it in the comment section that you tried these four things and it did not work. So that's why I made this video. Thank you for watching my video to the end. I hope you learned a lot. I hope you have learned the four keys for sales. These are just four keys. There are other ones. So I just say, let me give you this four so that your business can improve. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Drop your comment in the comment section. I want to hear your review and share this video with others. See you in our next tutorial. Bye.